This is a brand new Screwdriver Pro XL.
The top bench, we got it two different colors. We have the beautiful gray and the white.
All right, so meeting again with some old friends. This is, I always, Ernst, right?
Ernst Manufacturing.
Ernst.
It's a German name, so you got to grunt.
Products that I've actually used in my toolbox. And Katie's over here, she's gonna just show us around the booth.
Hey guys, welcome to SEMA. This is day one, so we're excited to be here. Thanks for coming. You can see the best of it here. We've got some new product. So we've got our new Screwdriver Pro. This is a new release for 2025. Be able to see some product. This is our Wrench Pro. Might be familiar with this. So we've got a companion item now for screwdrivers. So it's just a lower profile, and these pieces are all modular. They come apart. This is a brand new Screwdriver Pro XL. So it's for larger screwdrivers, nut drivers, pry bars, things that might not fit. There's an extra little channel here.
And this is what you're showcasing this year, right?
Yes, this is the brand new product, you guys. So this is the standard Screwdriver Pro, and now just in wider configurations for those larger tools. We have it magnetic and non-magnetic. Right now to start, it's in red and black and a variety of sizes, but we'll be adding more colors. As you can see, we've got the green for the Wrench Pro. So we do plan to expand our product offering. I know I'm gonna get that question.
I want you to kind of show the socket organizers. If I remember, the socket organizers what kind of made you guys, right?
Yeah.
Because I have like red for my standard sockets and then blue for my metric when it comes to Ernst socket organizers.
Yeah.
So let's show everyone what
Come
the
on
socket
over.
organizers are.
We've got it in the drawer right over
Yeah,
here.
perfect.
This is our socket drawer right here that we're featuring. We've got it loaded up with tools. We've got 1/2-inch drive impact. We've got some larger tools here that you can see. We've got 1/2-inch, 3/8, and 1/4-inch. So this is the socket boss. So this is our 1/4-inch drive. Everything is nice and labeled, ID stickers here.
I love this box because I know you're going to slide it out too and show them, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
We've got the twist lock clips. So instead of just jamming a clip on or prying it off, you just drop it in, give it a little turn, and it's locked. So everything locked into place. Good for transport, a nice tray. This is a 2-rail tray. We also have 3-rail. So if you wanted one
And that's personally what I have, guys. I have that 3-rail tray right there.
drive size, each drive size is here, 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch, all in one handy tray. These are made in USA. We're made in Sandy, Oregon. And these rails, they will also come out. So there's a push release tab here. Just push that in and the rail slides up. Comes out easy. You can swap these out. You can change drive sizes. You can change colors. You can add ratchet and extension holders. So this is handy. These aren't rolling around loose on their own. They're tucked in nice with your sockets. Drop that in and it clicks, locks into place, and you're all set. These are compatible. We do have questions that we get if we have magnetic rails. So we do have magnetic socket rails here. So these are strong, mount very well in the toolbox, keep things upright if you just wanted to go with a single rail option.
So now how many colors? I know when I first bought them, there was maybe like 4. How many colors are for the socket rail?
For the socket rails, we've got red and blue, traditional, what you see up here. It's kind of metric and standard, go on here easily. We've got the high vis. I can grab one of those in just a second. We've got green, we've got orange. What else do we have?
So plenty of colors for any technician that wants to just color match their toolbox,
we've
right?
got high vis, yeah, green, orange, red.
I know, if I remember too, there was one more product where you have an organizer for hand tools, correct?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes, for our pliers.
And if I remember, I think from last year, you guys even came out with more colors when it came to this, right?
Yes.
I kind of see the colors right
Yep.
there on the table, so I'll show them.
Come on, walk this way.
Yeah, perfect.
You kind of see our color varieties here. So we've got the trays and all the colors, the Wrench Pro, and then the Plier Pro.
The Plier Pro, that's what they're called, yes.
You can see the high vis for the socket rails right here. That'll stand out. Guys love the high vis.
Well, especially, yeah, things, when you get certain colors, they just kind of blend in, especially if you're throwing these trays on the floor and you're working underneath the car.
Yes.
Kind of nice to kind of have something that sticks out. Totally understand.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it, Katie.
Do you want to?
Huh?
You want to see another high vis?
Oh, there's another high vis? All right. Okay, hold on. We're not done yet, guys.
All right. So we've got green. We've got green in the Wrench Pro. There it is.
There's all the high vis. Now I see it. Okay, look at that. All right.
And this is really nice for bit storage. So these are magnetic rails, very strong magnet. And these are taper lock holes. So you squeeze the tool in there and it grasps. The harder you push down, the more firmly it holds. So these are great little handy items, great for transport.
Oh, and they're magnetic. Look at that.
Yeah.
I like that. Especially when sometimes you get the little bit holders from certain tool manufacturers and they just kind of fall apart. It's kind of nice that you guys kind of supplement something, because trust me, I have so many bits that can't put them anywhere because the holder was the original holder that it came with the bits broke.
Perfect.
That honestly, I did not know you guys actually made. Yeah. But hey, that's why we're here at SEMA. You kind of learn
something new.
Learn something new, right?
Yep, that's right.
Is there anything else you'd like to add, Katie?
We're good. Yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
All right, take care.
All right.
Okay, so we're here at the Wiha booth. I'm with Ron.
You got it.
Ron, right?
Yes, sir.
How's it going, man? Yes. So
Fantastic.
we were here last year, but you have some new tools to showcase this year, right?
Always.
So go ahead and start us off.
Nick, thanks for stopping by. Welcome to the Wiha booth, guys. You know Wiha, you know we're the leaders when it comes to insulated tools, rated, tested tools. We got the largest offering with the innovative products. So we have a lot of our socket sets and our torque control sets, but most importantly, I want to highlight our EV kit. One of the first one to put this on the market. We work with engineers, we work with end users to get the best tools, kit them together, come up with storage solutions in foam. It's easy to transport these products as well. We have insulated torque wrenches, we have foam trays, but one of my favorite personal sets and top seller is our 80-piece kit. You got an insulated 4 foam trays. It's not foam trays actually, sorry. We got an insulated kit which has 4 trays. So we got insulated screwdrivers, made in Germany, voltage tester. You got insulated T-handles, you got insulated sockets, ratchets. Then you have an insulated nut driver and torque drivers made in Germany. Wait, more. Come back. We have insulated pliers, cutters, folding rulers, knife, adjustable wrenchers. And the beautiful thing about this, it's stackable. You keep your tools nice and organized and clean, so you know which tool is missing. And then it's all on waterproof rolling case. Boom, just like that. So we're running show specials on this right now. And the SEMA special on this is $16.99. It's only limited time offer. So speaking of insulated tools, I probably can take you to another station and talk about the Slim Vario program that we have. Coming up this way, Nick. We have this whole family of slimline interchangeable program. You got all these handles and you have all the insulated blades. The beautiful thing about these is this handle and these blades are interchangeable based on the application that you have. So let's say you want to work on torque, no problem. You can get a torque control, adjust the size and use the blade. If you want to work on the first insulated battery-operated screwdriver in the world, no problem. You put the insulated blade, and you have now the Speedy from Wiha. You want to work with an award-winning product, I call this the James Bond, boom, 6-in-1, all pops up, insulated rated blades. And the beautiful thing about this is it has a locking mechanism, so the blade stands hold and doesn't fall. You even have the award-winning pocket max in here. So all the blades are stored in the storage, in the handle, put it back in your pocket, boom, Bob's your uncle. Easy peasy. So you have a program, it's called the Slimline Vario program from Wiha. Let's go to another station. Before we go to the foam trays, I want to show you one of my favorite tools. That's the new product showcase, SEMA show special, the top bench. We got it 2 different colors. You have the beautiful gray and the white. One of my favorite things about this is it keeps your tools nice, clean, and organized. So in this one, I have 4 smaller Wiha foam trays. I have my sockets, 1/4 inch and 3/8. You can put the mallet kit, you can put the screwdriver kit. We got the magnet tray in here. We got the little gold box. It shows all the variety of the different tools. And then we have a whole tray of ratcheting wrenches, SAE and metric. And then we have extra couple of drawers in here, so you can put your favorite tools in here. Color-coded nut setters, screwdrivers, whatever you want to put. We got a show special right now going on for an amazing deal. And then one of my favorite categories is foam trays. You know, we're one of the, we have a big offering when it comes to foam trays, and we keep expanding this category. So we have T-handle, hex, metric, we got torques, We even have the hex keys, the Ergo Star, which you tilt one key, opens up for you.
Oh wow,
Easy to
that's
take
actually
in and
pretty
out.
cool. Yeah.
It's a beautiful thing right here.
Yeah, look at that.
SAE and metric, beauty, right? Then you have pliers, you have cutters, you have insulated. You even have the demolition driver, I like to call this. It's an extra heavy duty made in Germany screwdriver where the shaft goes all the way through the handle. So you can, it's called a beater basically. We have a lot of new products when it comes to power tools and accessories. We have our TSD impact rated blue bits. And then we have our new impact sockets with the little swivel so you can pick the sockets that you like, put it back in here, and it has the little socket adapter. And obviously our backpacks. You know how great our backpacks are, right? You have the waterproof heavy duty base. You have the YKK zippers. You got even a little pocket here with your testers if you need to. Smaller pocket for small electronics or whatever you want to put in here. You have even a spot for your laptop, and it's super light as well and extra heavy duty. Talk to the sales team.
And then where can people buy these products?
That's a great question. You can go to wihatools.com or you can go to any of your preferred Wiha distributor.
All right, Miran, I appreciate it for showing us all the tools. And other than that, you have a good SEMA show.
Appreciate it, my man. Thanks, Nick.